Hello, welcome. Today we are going to be unboxing the Donner bass ukulele. If you would like to learn how to play ukulele from scratch, see song tutorials and product reviews, then subscribe to this channel. Alrighty, to avoid long intros, let's get started. Okay, let's look at the gig bag first. We have an almost completely black gig bag with Donner embroidered on the front. The front bag has a little bit of depth to it, so you could put a book in there or any of the other materials that you need. We have a side handle that is lightly padded. We have two straps on the back that are adjustable. I'm seeing more and more now that companies are starting to do the double straps, so they've been listening to what you want. We also have a hanger here, or a handle. We have pretty heavy duty looking zippers in my opinion. And let's see what it's like inside. Okay, we'll look at this in a second. We have some light padding on the front and the sides and the back. Overall, the gig bag has some light padding, has heavy duty zippers, and has the two straps. Those are the pros. The only con I think here is that if you're going to do some serious traveling, you're going to need something that protects your ukulele a lot more. Okay, first impression, this ukulele is a lot heavier than my other ukuleles. Granted, it's bigger and this is a wooden uke. Look at the width of these strings. For the bass players watching this, in this channel, most of us play just, you know, regular old tenor concert ukulele. So for us, this all looks so big and heavy duty, and I really dig it. That's really awesome. Okay, so we have the headpiece here, and then the neck piece, and then we can see where it's joined to the body. The body has this kind of a burgundy, almost like a turtle pattern binding. There's a little mix of yellow orange in there. Okay, so looking at the back of the ukulele, we have a very flat back. Some ukes have a curve. This one is very flat. Now we see the strap buttons here and where you can plug it in, because yes, you can plug it in, plug it in. This ukulele comes with an EQ. We have our controls here, bass, middle, treble, and a chromatic tuner. If you saw my tuner review, you know I like chromatic tuners. I probably need to check the batteries, get some batteries for that. All right, I'll try and get that done. Here we have our bridge. A little rosette. Alrighty, so now we see here the nut, and I'm gonna move this aside just so that we can see where the strings sit. Look at how wide that is. The tuning on a bass ukulele is different. We'll talk about that in a second. Here we have our fret wires that have been sanded down, and they do not feel sharp at all. The fret markers are a 3, 5, 7, 10, 12. Yes, you heard me correctly, 3. We also have the fret markers on the side, which I appreciate. And I forgot to mention, but we have our other strap button on this side. So let me get this tuned up and we'll talk about it in a sec. As I'm tuning the ukulele, I can talk to you about the strings. So these are Aquila Nylgut strings, but they're totally different, right? They're super wide, and the tuning is different as well. The tuning is E, A, D, G. And that's it. Like for my bass players, you know that that's how you tune just your regular old bass, whether it's electric or upright bass. So I'm tuning right now. This is not plugged in, by the way. I wanted to test it without plugging it in just to see what it can do on its own. Let's hear what it sounds like. I think it'll be really cool to do a bass and standard ukulele duet, so stay tuned for that. I'll make sure and put something like that out here on the channel. But I would like to hear from you. So the next video, when I update you on how this ukulele is doing, how it's holding up, what I think about the sound, I would like to answer some of your questions. So if you have questions about this instrument, please pop them in the comments below and I will answer them for the next video. If you would like to see more unboxings in the future, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you would like to learn how to play ukulele from scratch, see some tutorials, reviews, and unboxings, then subscribe to this channel. Alrighty, I will see you in the next one. Sayonara!